Decor Designs, your go-to destination for elevating your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving deep, literally, into one of the most serene and luxurious additions you can make to your property, the backyard koi pond. If you have ever dreamed of turning your garden into a tranquil sanctuary, you are in the right place. We have everything from definition and benefits to decoration tips. And finally, a countdown of the top 15 best design ideas based on some truly stunning examples. So grab a notebook and let's get started. First, let's define what we are actually building. A backyard koi pond is far more than just a hole in the ground filled with water. In the world of landscape architecture and home design, a koi pond is a living, breathing ecosystem designed specifically to house koi carp, a colorful, domesticated fish species originally from East Asia. Unlike a standard water feature or a swimming pool, a koi pond represents a deliberate union between nature and art. It is a permanent structure that serves as a meditative focal point, symbolizing good fortune, perseverance, and tranquility in many cultures. It is a dedicated space where water quality, depth, and filtration are engineered to support life, creating a dynamic connection between the homeowner and the natural world right outside their back door. Why should you invest time and money into a koi pond? The benefits are surprisingly extensive and impact both your property and your well-being. Primarily, a koi pond acts as a powerful stress reliever. The sound of running water combined with the graceful movement of the fish has been scientifically proven to lower blood pressure and reduce anxiety, providing a vacation feeling every time you step outside. From a real estate perspective, a well-maintained professional koi pond can significantly increase your property value, categorizing your home as a luxury listing with mature landscaping. Furthermore, it creates a localized microclimate that attracts other beneficial wildlife, such as dragonflies and birds, enhancing the biodiversity of your garden. It also becomes a rewarding hobby that teaches patience and biology, making it a fantastic educational tool for families. Ultimately, it transforms a static backyard into an interactive living space that evolves with the seasons. To ensure your pond is both beautiful and functional, there are a few must-have items you shouldn't skimp on. The most important item is a high-quality filtration system, specifically one with a UV sterilizer, to keep the water crystal clear and free of green algae. Without this, you won't be able to see your beautiful fish. Secondly, invest in a durable EPDM rubber liner. This is the foundation of your pond and needs to be puncture-resistant. For the health of the fish, an aerator or air pump is essential to keep oxygen levels high, especially during hot summers. Aesthetically, a skimmer is a game-changer as it automatically sucks leaves off the surface before they sink and rot. Lastly, consider an automatic fish feeder. This ensures your koi are fed small amounts regularly, which is better for their digestion and growth, even when you are away on vacation. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here are the compilation of the top 15 best backyard koi pond ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the modern Zen bridge. Starting up at number 1 is the modern Zen bridge. This design is a masterclass in contrast. The deep black pond liner makes the water look like a mirror, while the light gray decking bridge provides a stunning visual crossover. The textured stone column on the left feeds a sleek sheet waterfall. The planting is restrained, spiky irises and dark leafy ground cover, keeping the look tidy and low maintenance. It's elegant, sharp, and timeless. 2. The geometric social lounge. Coming in at number 2 is the geometric social lounge. This is for the modernists out there. The design breaks the pond into square sections intersected by wooden decking walkways, creating islands for seating. It turns the pond into a sunken living room. The clean lines, dark water, and minimalist planting allow the architecture of the deck to take center stage. It's an entertainer's dream, allowing guests to sit right in the middle of the aquatic action. 3. The natural stream and shade. Number 3 is the natural stream. This design mimics a winding river creek. It uses irregular sandstone rocks and heavy planting to create a wild, organic look. The addition of the shade sails overhead is brilliant. It protects the fish from sunburn and predators while keeping the water temperature cool. The multiple tiers of shallow waterfalls oxygenate the water naturally. This is the best choice for those who want their backyard to look like a hidden nature reserve. For the slate and glass aquarium. Entering our top 4, we have the slate and glass aquarium. This is high-end luxury. The raised pond is clad in beautiful gray slate stack stone, featuring a wide, clear glass window that turns the pond into an outdoor TV. The back wall features a sheer waterfall curtain that keeps the water moving. This design is incredibly sophisticated and works best in contemporary homes with gray or monochrome color palettes. 5. The courtyard canal. Number 5 is the courtyard canal. If you have a narrow side yard or a long corridor, this is the design for you. It features a long linear channel pond with distinct floating square stepping stones that allow you to walk over the water. The triple sheer descent waterfalls create a wall of sound that blocks out neighborhood noise. The use of tall vertical plants like canna lilies adds privacy without taking up horizontal space. Sleek, architectural, and very clever. 6. The Grand Resort Wall. And our number 6 pick is the Grand Resort Wall. This isn't just a pond, it's an architectural statement. A massive textured gray wall features 5 separate polished spouts pouring into a large basin covered in vibrant green water lettuce. The floating concrete steps lead you across the water, making you feel like you are entering a luxury spa. The scale of this project, combined with the clean industrial materials and the softness of the water plants, makes it our top pick for the ultimate backyard koi pond. 7. The Cozy Corner Retreat. At number 7, we have the Cozy Corner Retreat. This design proves you don't need a massive estate to have a stunning water feature. Tucked into a corner, this rectangular pond utilizes bold concrete fountain spouts that pour water into a deep, dark basin, making the colors of the koi pop. The use of white pebbles along the perimeter contrasts beautifully with the dark water and lush green hostas. It's a modern, space-saving solution perfect for townhomes or smaller courtyards. 8. The Panoramic Cylinder. At number 8, we have the Panoramic Cylinder. This is a semi-above-ground pond that features a massive curved glass viewing window. This is a hybrid design that mixes the natural look of a rock waterfall in the background with the modern technology of an aquarium in the front. This style is perfect for viewing koi from a side profile, allowing you to appreciate their patterns from the comfort of your patio chair without having to stand over the water. 9. The Zen Maple Sanctuary. Number 9 is the Zen Maple Sanctuary. This captures the essence of a traditional Japanese garden. The dark water reflects the vibrant red leaves of the Japanese maple and the lush green ferns. A traditional stone lantern, pagoda, stands guard in the background. There is no flashy technology visible here. It is all about silence, reflection, and nature. If you want a meditation space, this natural rock-edge design is the ultimate inspiration. 10. The Suburban Deckside Oasis. At number 10, we have the Suburban Deckside Oasis. This is a fantastic example of integrating a pond into a sloped yard using retaining wall blocks. The kidney-shaped design softens the hard lines of the wooden deck, while the stacked stone exterior creates a neat raised planter effect. The addition of the heron statue and the cascading stone fountain adds vertical movement. This design is perfect for families who want a safe, raised edge that prevents pets or debris from easily falling in. 11. The Grand Viewing Window. At number 11, we have the Grand Viewing Window. This raised pond design is a showstopper for modern luxury. Clad in sophisticated gray stacked stone, the highlight is undoubtedly the massive clear glass panel that turns your pond into a living aquarium. In the background, a textured stone wall creates a waterfall effect, while bold red planters flank the sides, adding a pop of color that contrasts beautifully with the sleek gray stone. This is perfect for patio viewing without needing to stand over the water. 12. The Serene Woodland Oasis. Number 12 is the Serene Woodland Oasis. If you prefer a natural secret garden vibe, this is the one for you. Tucked away amongst lush ferns and blooming pink flowers, this pond features a gentle rock waterfall that mimics a mountain stream. The key element here is the traditional stone pagoda lantern in the background, which immediately establishes a calming, zen atmosphere. It's a soft, organic design that feels like it has been part of the landscape for decades. 13. The Urban Architectural Feature. Coming in at number 13 is the Urban Architectural Feature. This is minimalist design at its finest. The rectangular pond is framed by a sharp, dark stone coping that sits flush with the ground. The surrounding area utilizes stark white gravel beds and carefully placed ornamental trees to create a high-contrast, clean look. A single, large dark pot serves as an artistic focal point. This style is ideal for modern courtyards where space is limited but style is non-negotiable. 14. The Tropical Waterfall Sanctuary. Number 14 is the Tropical Waterfall Sanctuary. This design balances rustic textures with modern lines. The backdrop is a stunning high-textured stone wall featuring two sleek metal spouts that pour water into the basin below. A wooden deck provides a raised seating area right next to the water, allowing you to feed the fish comfortably. The large clay pot and surrounding greenery soften the hard stone, creating a warm resort-style feel right in your backyard. 15. The Lakeside Patio Extension. Finally, at number 15, we have the Lakeside Patio Extension. This design seamlessly blends the pond into the living space. The large, kidney-shaped pond is packed with water lilies and aquatic plants, providing plenty of shade for the fish. A beautiful curved wooden deck sweeps around the water's edge, creating an immersive observation deck. With the rock waterfall in the background and the open water in the front, it feels like owning your own private lake. Whether you prefer the rugged look of a natural stream or the sharp lines of a modern glass-walled tank, there is a koi pond style to suit every home. Building a pond is a journey, but as you can see, the results are absolutely breathtaking. If you enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your own backyard renovation, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos on garden landscaping and interior design trends. Which of these 15 designs was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Homes Decor Designs, and I'll see you in the next video.